Welcome back to the Baked Deco channel. Today we're going to show you how you can make some simple raspberry and white chocolate bars. Start by grabbing your favorite chocolate polycarbonate mold. At Baked Deco we have a wide selection and we will link that for you in the description. Next, we will be adding a generous handful of freeze-dried raspberries. This is going to add a tangy crunch to our chocolate bar. Make sure you fill every corner so that you have that taste of raspberry in every bite. And now it's time to add our chocolate. Today we'll be using Callebaut white chocolate chunks. These chocolate chunks melt and temper like a dream, and they taste delicious. We have a link for you in the description below. And now we're gonna add some more freeze-dried raspberries to the back of our bar. Yes, you heard right, we are adding more raspberries. We want that raspberry flavor to be over the top. Now, if you're worried about the back of your bar not looking so smooth, you can give the mold a slight shake or wiggle. You want to avoid tapping because the purpose of this design is to expose the raspberries in the front. So when you tap, you're actually submerging the raspberries in the chocolate as the chocolate falls forward. So we're actually going to leave it as is, and the chocolate will settle and smooth out a bit. You can also add some extra raspberries just to cover that up. Now let's take our mold. We want to place it in the fridge for at least 2 hours so that the chocolate is solid. Our chocolates are now ready, so we're going to release these from the molds by giving them a slight tap, and they should slide right out. These bars are now ready to eat. Let us know what you think in the comments below.